I got some chores to do around the house, and this little chainsaw here is great for trimming trees and trimming tree branches and trimming these palm trees back here. But once the blade gets dull, you got to sharpen it, and sharpening it can be a real pain. So luckily, I got these chainsaw blades sent to me to make a video about. These are from UPFOREST, and you get 3 of them in a pack. They come in a few different sizes there, so you can check the sizes on your tool to find out what size you need. And you get 3 chainsaw blades in the box. So that's pretty nice. I just looked up my chainsaw and my chainsaw model, and then I was able to find what size chains I needed. The only issue I had is I had to count the number of blades I had on my chainsaw. And so in order to do that, is you just count each one of these. You'll see those 2 there, and you just count that as 1. You just start at a starting point, like say you started right here. You just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just all the way like that, and count around until you get your number for that. Other than that, I had everything else in the manual that I could find for my chainsaw blade sizes. All right, so you just can get your ratchet on here to loosen it up there, but so you just want to be careful. Even though these are dull, you could still cut your hand there, but you just want to get it loose enough that you can loosen this up here. Once you get it loosened up there, you can push this back and you'll be able to take the blade off. Now would be a good time to line the chain up, the old chain with the new chain. You can see how nice this new one is here. And then you just want to make sure it's facing in the same direction here. So we need to flip this around the other way so that we reinstall this in the same direction that the old chain was on there. So we're going in the correct direction there. Okay, so I'm just going to put this back on here. These little pokey parts here, they fit inside the grooves on the chainsaw blade. So you put this on here like this, and then you grab your fingers at the end here, and then you can pull this snug here. Get this into place, and then once it's nice and snug there, then you can retighten it. If you're not familiar with a ratchet, you push the button in there, change that there to go in the correct direction. So you're going righty-tighty. Pull this snug, and then you can snug this up here. You can always hand tighten it to get started. But you're going righty-tighty at this point here. And just be careful, these blades are going to be sharp. So when you're holding it here, be careful with it. Same when you're tightening it up. So get that nice and snug. You don't want to have too much play in your chain there. I think that feels pretty good. All right, now let's put this together and see how sharp this thing is. All right, I got it all put back together. And then just to make sure you got the chain on right, you hold it upright like this, so you're looking at it from the top. And then you make sure that your blade is facing that way so that you're cutting into the wood, because this is the way the chain's going to spin there. It's going to spin forward like that. All right, here's a close-up, and you can see the sharp part of the chain here is facing forward. And so that way it'll do the cutting. So make sure when you inspect it that you have your chain on correctly. You'll know if you don't have it on correctly because you go to cut, nothing will happen. But you want to just check it before you go out there. And then check your oil level. This is an electric chainsaw, but you still need to lubricate it. So just you got your oil level there, and you'll just kind of push that button down there while you're working the chainsaw. Make sure it stays lubricated. These things are pretty nice because they come in a lot of different sizes. So you can get some smaller chainsaw blades for a small chainsaw like this. All right, let's go ahead and see how sharp this is out of the box. I'm going to trim that palm tree up there. Yeah, that thing's cutting these palm fronds pretty good. Yeah, these UPFOREST chainsaw blades are pretty nice. Watch out for falling palm fronds up there. When I said watch out for falling palm fronds, I wasn't kidding. These things got some spikes on them. All right, I got the palm tree all trimmed thanks to these UPFOREST chainsaw blades. Yeah, these things did a great job. Pile of palm fronds, a few more over there by the tree to clean up. Yeah, we got that one done. Get all cleaned up and then I'll start tackling this next one. That one's gonna be a lot of work. All right, we got her done. And the blade still looks nice too. Yeah, these are some pretty nice chainsaw blades.